to score better in mathematics, you need to do the following. Number one, you need to practice day in, day out. Somebody cannot be born to know mathematics. No, you only practice to become one of the mathematicians. So let us just practice more and more, and one of the very fine days you are going to improve. Let us start like this. We will be doing small mathematics. We are not doing that one complicated one. So for those people who want to gain fast, so we will be dealing with section A mathematics, that is 4 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, like that. So let me start very fast and make this short video. You will follow more and more in order to gain. If you have a student somewhere or you are a student, you can actually gain something. Okay, number one, we have a rectangle whose length is 7 centimeters longer than it is width, has an area of 120 centimeters square. So form a quadratic equation for the area, hence state the dimension of the rectangle. So that means you are supposed to say that this is a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle whose length is 7 centimeters longer than it is width. So if the width is x, then it means that the length will be x plus 7. 7 centimeters longer than what? So this one is centimeters and this one is centimeters. So the dimensions is measured in centimeters. And then we are given that its area is equals to 120 centimeter what? Square. So form a quadratic equation. So from there we know how to find the area. How do you find the area? Area is equals to length times what? Times width, whereby we have the length times width, that is x into x plus what? 7, which is equals to our area 120. So if you multiply this times this, you get that this is x squared. Okay, x squared plus 7x. Okay, 7x. If you multiply, you remove the bracket, and then you take this to the other side, minus 120, which is equals to 0. That is the quadratic equation that we are talking about. And then from there, you move and say, you continue form a quadratic equation for the area. That is how you form the quadratic equation, hence study the dimensions. That means you find the value of what? Of x. In order to find the value of x in this case, you shall say that you use the product sum factors. So what is the product? The last coefficient times this one, 120, that is 1 times negative 120, that's negative 120, and then the sum will be positive 7, this one. And therefore the factors are likely to be 15 and 8. Okay, but which one is negative? So 8 is negative 8. So if you multiply this times this, you get 120. If you add, you get positive 7. So therefore you come and substitute these factors in this one. You say that x squared plus 15, now you use these factors, x minus 8x. So this